Hey guys, what's up? It's NoyTebs vlog here. Our topic for today is all about the Nova Scotia, an automotive industry worker. Please stay tuned until the end of this video. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And don't forget to click the notification bell so that you'll be notified of my new video uploaded on my channel. Let's get started. Automotive industry worker with a profile in the express entry system were invited to apply for a provincial nominee program from the Nova Scotia. The Nova Scotia nominee program, the Nsnp, released the draw eligibility criteria for an express entry. Candidates but did not say how many invitations were sent. Candidates need to have a primary occupation in one of the following two National Occupational Classification and OC code. Guys, if you think that you are qualified on this, try to apply and find an opening. The NOC 7322, the motor vehicle body repairs, or the NOC 7321, an automotive service technician, truck, or a bus mechanic, or a mechanic repairs. Invited candidates also need to demonstrate that they have 2 or more years of a full-time job or an equivalent part-time experience in these occupations within 5 years preceding the application. They also need a Canadian language benchmark, the CLB, of 5 in all English language ability. They also include a copy of language test and a proof of education with their applications from the provincial nomination. Proof of education must include in an educational credential assessment, the ECA, report issued by the organization designated by the Immigration, Refugee, and Citizenship Canada, the IRCC, if your education credential has obtained outside of Canada. Guys, I hope you will consider my channel to subscribe, and also don't forget to click the notification bell so that you'll be updated. Please check my other videos, and maybe this video can help you to find an opportunity in Canada. In addition, candidates also must need a complete program of 2 or more years at the post-secondary institution, such as the university, college, and a trade school. Invited candidates have until October 24 to send in their application for the provincial nomination for the Canadian permanent resident. Nova Scotia Labour Market Priority Stream invites immigration candidates based in needs of the provincial labor market. This is the first provincial nominee program the PNP drew out of Nova Scotia since May of this year, when the province invited nurses who had a profile in the express entry pool. Express entry candidates invited. In order to consider in a provincial nomination from the Nova Scotia through the labor market priority stream, candidates first need to have a profile in the express entry system. Express entry manages application for Canada permanent resident through the 3 federal program. One would be the Federal Skilled Worker Program, FSWP. The second one would be the Federal Skilled Trade Program, FSTP. The last one would be the Canadian Express Class, the CEC. Express entry candidates are ranked on the Comprehensive Ranking System, the CRS. They also awarded points based on the factors such as their age, work experience, education, and the language ability in English or in French. Now that Nova Scotia has issued an invitations, also known as letter of interest, invited candidates now have 60 calendar days to complete their application for the provincial nomination. If you receive the provincial nomination from the Nova Scotia, they will automatically be awarded an additional of 600 CRS points, which effectively a guarantee that they will receive an invitation to apply the ITA in a subsequent express entry draw. Shout out to those people who clicked the join button. If you want to be shouted on my channel, please don't forget to click the join button. That's all about it, guys. If you have any questions or suggestions, please do comment below. And also, you can share these videos and my other videos to your friends and relatives that are planning to apply to Canada. This is NoyTebs. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day and God bless everyone.